Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Ritchie from the Popular Geek, and if you're watching this video now, you've watched my review on the Razer Protype from its Pro Solutions range. Yeah, and hope you enjoy that review. It's sort of a quicker review, but then again, it is an old product, and I didn't really want to stress too much about it because like I said, I bought it for $60. Can't complain too much about it. And this is another accessory to my range, I guess. So anyways, let's get into this. So it opens from here. Let's get my knife. Yeah, so I mean, while I'm making this video, I haven't actually made the review yet. I just thought I wouldn't want to upload it on my mainstream just because, it's an old product and I was talking to a few people and, some people don't like unboxings. Me too, I'm sort of getting sick of them because I like to focus more on the reviews. But, leave your comments down below if you like seeing unboxings or if you don't like seeing unboxing, you just want the review out. But nevertheless, I usually do comment on my social media sites like, Twitter, Facebook, whatever, saying that I got this product today or I got that product today. Sorry, my mic got caught. In here. Let me just fix that. Okay, so I'm actually on my knees. So as you can see here, it's nice to know that it's actually packaged in a nice styrofoam packaging, and surprisingly, nicely etched out, as you can see right there. Which is good. I mean, it's good to see, like, small things like that, packaging wise, really tells about the product in a way. If it just sort of came up in a box, I'd be like, okay, fair enough. Even though if the product's really bad or if it's good or not, it's good to know that, on its trip here, wherever it came from, it arrived safe and I know that I'm not going to get a faulty one. Okay, so take this apart. Let me just take the stuff out and then I'll put everything on the table. Move the box out of here. Oh, really heavy cable. That's one big box. Okay, so inside you got nice manual in there. I believe you also get a CD, which is the programmable CD, which is right there. Just sitting in there, just something like that. Just put that back. Okay. So inside you get, I don't know if these are numbered. Yeah, 4 and 5. Now I believe these are the old iPod classic, dock ports, whatever they're called. But yeah, if you didn't know that, you can actually look at the back there and it says the number. And usually if you refer to that, that refers to the generation of whatever iPod you have, being iPod Touch, iPod Classic, whatnot. Anyway, so let's take this out. Move these out here. Very nice. I like the white. I'm a white fan. Wonder if this comes out. And now, as you can see here, it's a very long cable. I actually don't really want to take out all of it because my keyboard to wherever I have to plug this in is not that long. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, so as you can see also, I'm sure when I make the review I'll note that down. He actually uses 2 USB ports. Now I don't know why exactly did they go that way. I'm sure there would have been a way to integrate power to the freaking keyboard and data control to the iPod Touch, the dock itself. I'm not too sure why, but they're labeled right there. You got Razer and then you got dock. But so the thing is, basically, like a lot of people were saying in the reviews when I was checking this keyboard out, saying yes, you are getting rid of, you know, basically 2 ports, but then you're not really gaining 2 ports because you got this thing actually has 2 ports on the back, right there, and a line out for your iPod dock. So really, you're not gaining anything or losing anything that fact. So you're back to square one. So I'm going to peel all this off. Get rid of this stuff. It's very low profile, I must say. Just a couple of marks from the keyboard. But yeah, just checking it out. Get rid of those marks up on there. So as you can see there, here is the Razer Protype Keyboard. Nice white, very low profile. You know, what can I compare it to? If I get just a regular pen, this is not actually a really good example. I'm gonna put that away. My iPhone. Okay. So if I put that there, it's about, you know, that's about level there. Yeah, so slightly more. Obviously there, it's at least 2 iPhones. Does these things pop up here? So you got like that. As you can see here, keyboard keys feel really nice. Compared to like my Apple keyboard right there, this does feel, in a way, I don't know really how to describe keyboard feels. Feels normal. I have to really give it a few tests, I reckon, before I can really sort of say is it good or not. Actually, I'm gonna take this out and see the lights. So at the moment, I've just plugged in the keyboard, and as you can see there, it's illuminated. Very nice. I actually really like the illumination of the keyboard. I wish it did sort of went throughout the whole keyboard. Because, you know, it's sort of good to have an illuminated keyboard, you know, especially when you're playing in the dark or doing whatever. But these are your hotkeys. You got your profile key right there, and this profile key can be customizable to your L1 to L5 and left, you know, right 5, so forth. Other than that, you know, look out for the review, or obviously you already watched the review. But I'm gonna play with this for maybe a week or something, and then start writing.